Hey everybody! Final video, the last two topics, rise of conservatism and the tear down this wall speech. Pat Buchanan was a conservative commentator and he had run for the Republican nomination in 1992. Of course, he lost to President George H.W. Bush. He was renominated. And Buchanan was giving a speech in support of Bush's campaign at the Republican National Convention on August 17, 1992. In this famous speech, he comes out with what he terms to discuss the culture war going on throughout America, and he states how George H.W. Bush is the right man to lead the nation through, its current difficulties. And basically, that is the rise of conservatism section. Tear down this wall speech. Reagan made this impassioned speech in front of the Berlin Wall in June of 1987. Remember, Reagan was called the great communicator for very good reason. Wonderful speech giver. His background of acting helped him out, most definitely. Reagan gave a speech again in front of the Berlin Wall in June of 1987. He urged the end of the Cold War with democracy spreading to those nations under communist rule. And he emphasized the hardship that basically had plagued the people of East Germany, particularly East Berlin, since the Berlin Wall had been built in 1961. The dismantling of the wall began in November 1989 when the East German government collapsed. The economy in East Germany was on decline for quite a while. Soviet Premier Gorbachev urged the East Germans to impose economic reforms like he had done in the Soviet Union. Many East Germans began flocking to embassies requesting to be let into West Germany. November 1989, East German leader Erich Honecker resigns, and East Germans were let into West Germany. And that basically is the last two topics that we have. I hope you have found these videos helpful. As always, I am here for you. Please contact me if you have absolutely any questions.